So now we have understood prompts. Now question arises, what is prompt engineering? So see, what we are doing here is that we are just giving, or you can say we are just talking with AI. Okay, like how are you? We are talking to AI. So according to that, it is giving us response. That means we are just giving prompt, okay, or we are just talking with AI and it is giving us answer. Okay. Similarly, we have asked 5 tips to grow here. So I'm here talking with AI. Okay, you can simply understand that I'm talking to AI, and according to that, or you can say I'm talking with AI or I'm giving prompt to AI, and according to that, it is giving me response. So prompt engineering means how to talk to AI to give best results. So sometimes it may happen that you might talk with AI or you give prompt to AI, like let's say generate 5 YouTube title for my video. Okay, so you are talking to AI, or I can say you are giving prompt to AI and it is giving us response. But sometimes this may happen that when you talk to AI or when you give prompt to AI, it is not giving you the appropriate result or a response, right? So in that case, it is very much important to have prompt engineering skills, because here you can see when I have just written generate 5 titles for my video, so this is not a correct way. You can see even AI is saying you that I need more information. So why this problem occurs? Because you don't have proper prompt engineering skill. So prompt engineering skill means you just provide one prompt or you talk to AI in such a way that it gives you the best output or a result according to the question you have asked to the AI. Okay, so that is what it is called as prompt engineering. So prompt engineering means we will going to give you all techniques so that you will learn how you can talk with AI so that AI can give you best result. So that is what it is called as prompt engineering. Okay,